From garage to manufacturing facility to globe, it's QuickTrick. QuickTrick tools are changing the alignment world. QuickTrick products aren't just tools. They're a testament to American ingenuity and dedication. For 14 years, we've been crafting precision alignment kits that are third-party tested to be as accurate, or even more so, than traditional heavy equipment. Whether you're a racing enthusiast, a fleet shop pro, or serving in the US military, QuickTrick has your back. With customers in over 100 countries, our commitment to quality and accuracy never wavers. And here's the best part. Every QuickTrick product is proudly made in the USA. When you choose QuickTrick, you're not just buying a tool. You're supporting American craftsmanship and small business success. So, DIY enthusiasts, the next time you need top-notch alignment tools, remember, nothing says patriotism like QuickTrick. Made in the USA, trusted worldwide.